Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what happens if you don't take prenatal vitamins. Yes, and that's a very important thing to know if you are pregnant. Pregnancy is a crucial time when your body needs extra nutrients for both you and your baby. Prenatal vitamins are often recommended to ensure proper development and to fill any nutritional gaps. But what happens if you don't take them? Let's talk about the risks, possible complications, and why these vitamins are so important for a healthy pregnancy. Number one is increased risk of nutritional deficiencies. Yes, your body goes through significant changes during pregnancy, and the demand for essential nutrients like folic acid, iron, calcium, and DHA increases. And if you don't take prenatal vitamins, you may not get enough of these vital nutrients from your regular diet. Even if you eat healthy, it's essential to meet all the increased nutritional requirements through food alone. A lack of key vitamins and minerals can lead to deficiencies that affect both you and your baby's health. Number 2, higher risk of neural tube defects. Folic acid is one of the most important nutrients during pregnancy. It helps in the development of the baby's brain and spinal cord. Not getting enough folic acid increases the risk of neural tube defects such as spina bifida and anencephaly. These are serious birth defects and affect the baby's nervous system. And most doctors recommend starting folic acid supplements even before conception to reduce these risks. Number 3, increased risk of anemia. Iron is essential for making red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. During pregnancy, your blood volume increases to support your growing baby. Without enough iron, you may develop anemia, leading to fatigue, weakness, dizziness, and even complications during delivery. And severe anemia can also increase the risk of premature birth and low birth weight. Number 4, poor bone health for both mother and baby, and that is because of calcium. Yes, calcium plays a crucial role in the development of your baby's bones and teeth. If you don't take enough calcium during pregnancy, your body will take it from your bones to provide for the baby. This can weaken your bones over the time, increasing the risk of osteoporosis later in life. And for the baby, calcium deficiency can lead to weak bone development. Number 5, low birth weight and premature birth. Babies born with low birth weight often face several health challenges. They may have difficulty maintaining body temperature, feeding properly, or fighting infections. A lack of essential nutrients such as folic acid, iron, and DHA increases the risk of premature birth. Premature babies often require medical support and may have long term health issues. Number 6, vision and brain development issues. Omega 3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are critical for the baby's brain and eye development. Without prenatal vitamins that contain DHA, your baby might not get enough of this essential nutrient. Some studies suggest that DHA deficiency may impact cognitive function and visual development in newborns. And foods like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds contain omega 3s, but supplements ensure the right amount during pregnancy. Number 7, increased risk of birth defects. Many birth defects are linked to vitamin deficiencies during pregnancy. A lack of vitamin D can lead to poor bone formation, and insufficient vitamin B12 may affect brain and nerve development. Without enough iodine, the baby's thyroid function and brain development can be affected. Prenatal vitamins are designed to provide these nutrients in the right amounts for a healthy pregnancy. Number 8, weak immune system and more infections. During pregnancy, your immune system naturally becomes weaker to support the growing baby. This makes you more prone to infections and illnesses. Vitamins like C, D, and zinc play a vital role in strengthening your immunity. And if you don't take prenatal vitamins, your immune system may not function as efficiently, increasing the chances of getting sick more often. Number 9. Increased fatigue and weakness. Pregnancy already causes tiredness due to hormonal changes and increased energy demands. Without proper nutrition, you may feel even more exhausted and drained. Iron, vitamin B12, and folic acid are necessary to keep your energy levels up, and skipping prenatal vitamins can make fatigue worse and affect your daily activities. Number 10. Hair loss and skin problems. Pregnancy hormones can impact your hair and skin. A deficiency in essential nutrients like biotin, iron, and vitamin D can make hair fall worse. Your skin may also become dull, dry, or more prone to acne and pigmentation issues. And prenatal vitamins support healthy skin and hair by providing the right nutrients in adequate amounts. Number 11. Poor recovery after delivery. Your body goes through a lot during pregnancy and childbirth, and the postpartum recovery phase requires sufficient nutrients for healing, milk production, and regaining strength. And if you don't take prenatal vitamins, you may struggle with postpartum fatigue, low healing, and hair fall. Some doctors even recommend continuing prenatal vitamins after delivery, especially for breastfeeding mothers. Now, let's talk about, can a healthy diet replace prenatal vitamins? Eating a balanced diet is essential during pregnancy, but it may not be enough. Many foods today lack the necessary nutrients due to soil depletion and processing. Even if you eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, you may still fall short of key vitamins and minerals. And prenatal vitamins are specifically formulated to meet the extra nutritional needs of pregnancy. So, what should you do if you haven't been taking prenatal vitamins? If you haven't been taking them yet, don't panic. Start them as soon as possible and talk to your doctor about the best prenatal supplements for you. Choose a high quality prenatal vitamin that includes folic acid, iron, calcium, vitamin D, and DHA. And if you have dietary restrictions, look for vegan or allergen free options. And remember, consistency is key. Taking them daily will benefit both you and your baby. And skipping prenatal vitamins can lead to serious health risks for both mother and baby because they play a crucial role in preventing deficiencies, birth defects, and complications during pregnancy. So, eating a healthy diet is important, but prenatal vitamins ensure you get the right nutrients in the right amounts. So, if you are pregnant or planning to conceive, talk to your doctor about starting prenatal vitamins today. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and take care. Bye bye.